Water pollution. The contamination of water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, etc. is called water pollution. Water pollution is the result of several human activities: rapid growth of population, urbanization and industrialization, and the increasing use of chemicals results in water pollution. This problem is increasing day by day. It is more severe in the developing countries. The major sources of water pollution are industries. Rapid industrialization generates wide range of waste products in sewage, which ultimately join the water sources. Major industries that contribute to the water pollution are paper chemicals, petrol chemicals, textile, leather, distillery, etc. Chief pollutants are heavy metals and organic compounds. In some developed countries, the release of such polluted material has been controlled to some extent. But in most of the undeveloped countries, their continuous release is polluting the water. Almost all the rivers of India are polluted with the industrial effluents. River Damodar is highly polluted river of India because of industrial effluents released from steel plants of Bokaro, Rourkela, Bengal paper mills, Sindri fertilizer factory, etc. Domestic sewage. Each man uses around 135 liters of water per day for washing clothes, cooking, bathing, etc. Most of this water is drained out in domestic sewage. This sewage, containing detergents and other pollutants in many cases, joins some water bodies like river, lakes, etc. Detergents can have poisonous effects in all types of aquatic life if they are present in sufficient quantities, and this includes the biodegradable detergents. All detergents destroy the external mucus layer that protects the fish from bacteria and parasites. Plus, they can cause severe damage to their gills. Most fish will die when detergent concentrations approach 15 parts per million. Detergent concentrations as low as 5 parts per million will kill fish eggs. Surfactant detergents are implicated in decreasing the breeding ability of aquatic organisms. Detergents also add another problem for aquatic life by lowering the surface tension of the water. Organic chemicals such as pesticides and phenols are then much more easily absorbed by the fish. Soil pollution refers to the building up of toxic chemical compounds, salts, radioactive materials, and disease causing organisms, that is, pathogens. All these pollutants affect the plant and animal life. The sources of soil pollution are chemical fertilizers. The population is increasing at a tremendous rate, but the area under cultivation is not showing any signs of increase. As a result, the agricultural production is increased from the same agricultural area. This is possible with the help of fertilizers. All fertilizers are made of chemicals which pollute the soil. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are three main chemicals that are added to the soil. Slowly, these chemical compounds start building up in the soil and soil becomes toxic. The natural process in soil gets disturbed. Soil becomes dependent on fertilizers and slowly its fertility also reduces. Fertilizers are capable of changing the chemical and biological structure of the soil. Insecticides and pesticides. Farmers have to fight with the increasing problems of pests and insects which can destroy the crop. Plant pathogens and weeds are controlled by spraying chemicals on the soil. Pathogens are biological agents that spread diseases, and weeds are the unwanted plants that are removed for taking nutrient share of other plants. The commonly used insecticides and pesticides are DDT, chlordane, and toxaphene. All of them are made of toxic chemicals and are able to kill the pests and insects. But at the same time, they mix with the soil and also kill many useful microorganisms which are beneficial to the soil for organic activity. An estimate suggests that only 5% food would be lost if such toxic chemicals are not used. Biomedical waste. Biomedical waste are the solid waste generated during the diagnosis, testing, treatment, research, or production of biological products for human or animal. Biomedical waste includes syringes, live vaccines, laboratory samples, body parts, bodily fluids, and waste, sharp needles, cultures, and latchets, etc. These contains potentially harmful microorganisms that can infect hospital patients, health workers, and the general public. The disposal of untreated healthcare wastes in landfills can lead to the contamination of drinking, surface, and groundwaters. The treatment of healthcare waste with chemical disinfectants can result in the release of chemical substances into the environment. Sometimes, the tools and devices doctors use for diagnostic purposes are radioactive. If any disposable tool or device is improperly disposed of, radioactive radioactivity will enter the landfills and other areas. The radioactive particles are dangers to human and animals. Radioactive diseases is just one of the diseases caused by medical waste. Other diseases humans may contract include AIDS, cholera, typhoid, hepatitis, hepatitis B, and SARS.